DVX Vision delivers an exceptionally refined and impressive experience that immediately reflects a deep commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction, making it a standout brand in its space. From the very first interaction, the platform communicates professionalism through its clean layout, thoughtful structure, and seamless usability, which together create a smooth and confidence-building journey for the user. Everything about DVX Vision feels deliberately crafted, from the intuitive navigation to the consistent performance that operates without friction, confusion, or unnecessary complexity. The brand clearly prioritizes user experience, ensuring that even first-time visitors can quickly understand and benefit from what is offered, while more experienced users will appreciate the depth, reliability, and polish that elevate the overall experience. What truly distinguishes DVX Vision is the balance it strikes between advanced capability and accessibility, offering solutions that feel powerful yet easy to engage with, without overwhelming the user. The attention to detail is evident throughout, as each feature feels purposeful and well executed, reinforcing the sense that DVX Vision values long-term trust over short-term impressions. Performance is consistently smooth and dependable, which adds to the feeling of reliability and professionalism that the brand successfully communicates. Beyond functionality, DVX Vision also excels in aesthetics, presenting a modern and sophisticated visual identity that aligns perfectly with its innovative approach and reinforces credibility. This thoughtful combination of design, performance, and clarity results in an experience that feels premium, refined, and genuinely user-centric. It's clear that DVX Vision is driven by a forward-thinking mindset, constantly emphasizing quality, precision, and usability in a way that feels authentic rather than promotional. The platform inspires confidence not only through what it offers, but through how it delivers those offerings, cleanly, consistently, and with a strong sense of purpose. Overall, DVX Vision exceeds expectations by providing a polished, dependable, and high-quality experience that resonates with users who value excellence, efficiency, and innovation, making it a highly recommended choice for anyone seeking a trustworthy and well-executed solution that truly stands out.